Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. This is my producer editor Sophie. We got Ursula here. We got Fred, Maleficent, and Bouncy the Bunny are up at the table. They'll be joining us in a minute. And like I said, Sophie is my producer, my editor. She's also my dog. She likes to make fun of me. She does that during the videos as she edits, and she puts text at the bottom of the top of the screen. So if you see those are just coming from Sophie, and there's really nothing I can do about it. So on with the show. Okay, so I bought some mystery pins in Disney World that we're going to be unboxing today. We have the Mickey and his pals Disney pins. I got two of those. I think there's two in each one. And also the Kingdom of Cute, which I don't really know what these are. It looks like they're attraction based, which is fantastic. And there's also, so there's four, so we have 8 pins there. But more importantly, have some mystery magic mail from Beth at Villains Advice. I cannot wait to see what's in this. If you haven't watched the Villains Advice channel, you should go do it right now. It's Beth and her husband Mike. They go to Disney World all the time, Busch Gardens, Disney cruises. She makes Disney themed drinks. It's awesome. So please, definitely go watch that. But I can't wait to see what's in here. I'm so excited. I can't try to feel to see if I can tell, but I have no idea. All right, so yeah, so let's get to it. So I'm gonna go to the table there. We got a bunch of mystery pins and mystery magic mail. Sophie can't wait. Look how excited she is. I mean, she is for real. You can't really, you can't tell, but she is very, very excited. Okay, so first of all, since I cannot wait, I'm going to open up the package from Beth. And I have no clue what this is. I'm a nervous wreck to see what it is. I can't wait. All right. Gosh, I'm the worst at opening these things. Okay. I finally have it open. All right, here we go. Let's see what's in here. All right, there's some card of some sort. Oh my gosh, look at that. Chernabog, wow. That is an amazing postcard, Beth. Where the heck did you find this? That might be the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay, it says, Joey, I saw this pin on my last Walt Disney World trip and thought you needed it for your collection. I hope you don't already have it. Say hello to Sophie, Baloo, and the gang. I definitely will. Definitely will. So thank you, Beth, so much. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Wow. Okay. So it's a pin. That much we know. That much we know. And I probably don't have it because I really don't buy pins that often. I buy these a lot, but I don't buy regular pins. Oh boy. Oh wow, look how nicely this is wrapped. That is fantastic. All right. Da-da-da-da. Oh my gosh. Nervous wreck. I'm always a nervous wreck if you don't know me, but wow. Oh wow. No, I do not have this. That is, oh gosh. I love it. Thank you, Beth. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. The Headless Horseman, if you don't know, that is my favorite Disney character of all time. And really should be yours too. No, I definitely, the only other Headless Horseman pin I have is the one that you got me. So now I have 2. I'd like to know where you found this. I didn't even see this anywhere. So cool. Gosh. That is, I mean, I looked online for some, and I haven't really found a whole lot. But I'm guessing I'm probably not looking in the right places maybe. So yes, I don't have this. Love it. Thank you so much. Halloween's coming up. It's not that far off. So that is amazing. Okay, so after I calmed down after that was fantastic. So okay, first we're gonna open these Kingdom of Cute. It's kind of a weird name. That's why I kind of just bought these. I didn't know what they were. So it looks like, so are they treats maybe? Or no, they're just, oh yeah, well, some of them are treats. So it looks like they're just kind of cute versions of the Disney rides. So obviously you have the teacups, Space Mountain, Jungle Cruise, that's a Dole Whip. Gargoyle from the Haunted Mansion, that is the Sword in the Stone. And that is the People Mover. So this must be Disneyland, or both, and obviously that's Dumbo. All right, so we always like to choose which ones we want, Sophie and I. Sophie, I'm guessing, although I kind of pick for her, so, but she's very lucky with this stuff, so that's why I like to pick for Sophie. So Sophie wants the Gargoyle from the Haunted Mansion and Dumbo. I would like Space Mountain and the Dole Whip. So let's see what we get. All right. So like I said, I believe there's 2. Yeah, it's an 8-pin collection. There's 2 in each box. All right. So I like to guess too. I'm going to say this one is the Dole Whip. Although since I picked it, it's probably not. All right, here we go. Whoa, no, it's the King Arthur Sword in the Stone. Very cool, though. Very, very cool. I have no problems with that. Oh, I see it has a little face down there. So this is actually a fantastic movie, too, with one of the greatest Disney villains also, Madam Mim, if you've not seen it. You should go watch it. Okay. All right, so I will say this one is, I'm gonna say it's the Jungle Cruise boat. Here we go. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Nope, it is Dumbo. But see what I was saying? That's why I had Sophie choose Dumbo, because I actually wanted Dumbo, but whenever I say Sophie wants it, we get it. Oh, that is the coolest one. All right. Very cool. Actually, the Haunted Mansion one's probably the coolest. I don't know. They're, you know what? I always say stuff like that, but then I go back and watch it. I'm like, they're all good. They're all good. Okay. Off to a good start. So next, got 2 more of these. So again, Sophie got one she wanted. She also wants the Gargoyle. I wanted these 2, which we have not found yet. All right. I'm gonna say this is the Gargoyle from the Haunted Mansion. All right. Da-da-da-da-da-da. It is not. It's Space Mountain. Okay, something I wanted. Look how cool that is. So it's a Space Mountain with a face. Very nice. All right, so Sophie and I each have one that we wanted. You know, the biggest thing with these is you don't want to get any duplicates, or dupes as they call them. And like I said, Sophie's luck with that is very good. All right. So this one has got to be the Gargoyle from the Haunted Mansion. If it's the 2 that I chose, I'll be shocked. But as long as it's not a duplicate, we'll be okay. Here we go. It is. Oh my gosh. It really is. Sophie. Sophie is so lucky. I don't even know what to say. It's getting weird, to be completely honest with you, but yeah, that's my favorite though. Oh my gosh. Very cool. So yeah, if you guys want to borrow her, if you ever want to open anything, mystery pins, just say, Sophie wants this one, and you'll probably get it. Very cool. All right, so next up is Mickey and his pals. Yeah, you know, I didn't show the price of these. These were $17.99. I believe these were the same price. No, these were $20. Oh my gosh, $19.99. We did get the annual pass holder discount, but still. $17.99. That seems like a lot, but okay. So here we go, Mickey and pals. So here's our choices. This will be hard to see, possibly. So start with Sophie, of course. So secretly the ones I want, but Sophie wants are Chip and Dale and Pluto. I love Chip and Dale are 2 of my favorite characters because those were the first time I went to Disney World when I was 5 years old, the characters we met, the very first ones we met, were Chip and Dale. So I will always be a fan of Chip and Dale. So yeah, Sophie wants Chip and Dale and Pluto. I want Mickey and Donald. All right, here we go. Guess I should have opened that first. Okay, so I did that off camera. I should always do that. All right, so there's 2 in each box, just like the other ones. Let's see, I'm gonna say this one is Donald. All right, dun, 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 dun. It is You, We, Do, and Louie. Okay, it's not one of the ones we chose, but I'm also a big fan of You, We, Do, and Louie. More so the old cartoons with Donald. I know DuckTales was big, but just the voices on DuckTales, I just couldn't get over. I like that they, you know, in the older cartoons, they actually talk like Donald talk, and they, you know, the voices were kind of the same, and I like that. So, okay, but very cool. Nothing wrong with that. Again, you know, if we don't get any dupes, then we're doing well. Okay, next. We'll say this one. I wonder if I could tear these. I always cut them, but let's see if I could tear it. No, I've seen other people do it. What am I not doing here? Okay, this one will definitely be Pluto. Dun, 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 dun. Looks, nope, Chip and Dale, but again, one of Sophie's. Oh, I love that. Same thing with Chip and Dale. Fan of the old cartoons, Rescue Rangers, the voices. I can't get past it. Cannot get past the voices. I don't know what was going on, but again, very cool. So, 2 of my favorite Disney characters, besides the Headless Horseman and Brown Bones. It could be the same person, but don't let anybody else know that. Okay, so we got one more box. 2 more to go. All right. So I'm thinking this one might be, I'll say, this one I'll say is Mickey. Oops. Okay, I might have knocked the camera over right there, so, okay. This, like I said, this one will be Mickey Mouse. Oh, Minnie. Very good, though. We like Minnie. My wife will love this one. This will definitely go to her. She loves Minnie Mouse. And so do I. Very cool. Okay, so one left. So I should probably guess that this is going to be Pluto. But I sort of hope it's Donald. Okay. Last one. I'm nervous wreck. Oh boy. No idea yet. And it is, oh, we got a duplicate. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. But that's good because I would like to do a pin trade. But this is very rare for us to get duplicates. But at least Sophie got the Chip and Dale because that's really the one that I wanted the most. All right, so we'll have to do some pin trades because I'm getting quite a few pins now. Like I said, I usually buy the mystery ones, but there you go. Well, that's our video for today. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing as we speak. She actually is. Sophie. You can also hit the like button. That helps us out a lot. You can also leave a comment. That really helps us out. I mean, it helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. So do it for Sophie. You can hit the notification bell if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. And I'll definitely have some more cooking videos coming up and some drink videos. Very exciting stuff. And thank you again, Beth, for the pin. I did not have it. I'm so excited to have it. It's fantastic, and thank you so much. And also, if you ever try something you love, you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.